Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Teams meeting recordings in Microsoft 365, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore Teams meeting recordings in Microsoft 365, begin by signing into your Microsoft 365 account. Open the Microsoft Teams application or access it through your web browser. Navigate to the Chat tab on the left sidebar. Locate the chat associated with the meeting where the recording was made. Select the chat to reveal the meeting details. In the chat, find the message that contains the meeting recording link. Click on the link to be taken to the recording. If the recording has been deleted, a notification will appear indicating that it is no longer available. In this case, proceed by opening the Microsoft Stream application. Log into Microsoft Stream using your Microsoft 365 credentials. Once inside Stream, find the My Content tab at the top of the page. Click on My Content, then select Videos. You will see a list of videos, including any previous meeting recordings. If the meeting recording is not visible, you may need to check the Deleted Items section. To access it, click on the More option in the left sidebar. Select Deleted Items to retrieve any deleted recordings. Find the meeting recording you want to restore from the list. Click on the checkbox next to the recording. Then, look for the option to restore at the top of the page. Confirm the restoration by following any prompts that appear. Once restored, go back to the chat in Microsoft Teams where the recording was initially shared. You should see the restored recording link available for playback. If the recording is not appearing, refresh the chat to ensure it updates. If you encounter any issues, check your permissions and the settings in Microsoft Teams and Stream. Make sure you have the necessary access to view and restore recordings. To facilitate future access, consider saving important recordings to a specific folder in Microsoft Stream. By following these steps, you can successfully restore Teams meeting recordings in Microsoft 365. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.